Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to capitalize first letter in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the cells where you want to apply your formula. So after selecting the cells, so here write a formula of proper functions. So write is equal and then write the proper. So when you will write here proper, so you can see Excel will automatically suggest the formula of proper. So then double click the left side of mouse. So after this select the text. So after this close the bracket and then press enter button. So you can see all is done. The first letter is capitalized. So if you want to capitalize the first letter of other text, so just select the cells where you created the formula. So after that place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells and then you can see plus options. Then press the left side of mouse and drag to the lower end. So you can see all text is changed to first capitalized letter. So guys, in this way you can capitalize first letter in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.